Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning floating notifications on or off on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, tap Notifications and Control Center. Now select Floating Notifications. There is no button to turn floating notifications off for all apps, but it shows you a list of your apps which have floating notifications turned on, and you can simply deactivate the toggle next to them to turn it off. You can do this for all apps if you want. Apps that aren't allowed to use floating notifications will show in a list below. You can re-enable their toggle to give them permission again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.